Stoichiometry is the calculation of reactant and product in chemical reactions. Stoichiometry is founded on the law of conservation of mass, where the total mass of the reactants equals the total mass of the product, leading to the insight that the relations among quantities of reactant and the products typically form a ratio of positive integers. This means that if the amount of the separate reactants are known, then the amount of the product can be calculated. Conversely, if one reactant has a known quantity and the quantity of the product can be empirically determined, then the amount of the other reactant can also be calculated. In real life, for example, we can use stoichiometry to find how much hydrogen peroxide we need to make 5 grams of water. In chemistry, a coefficient is a number placed in front of a term in a chemical equation to indicate how many molecules or atoms take part in the reaction.
Now let's see the question on page 124. So this question, a student decomposed some hydrogen peroxide according to the equation. And if a total of 0.125 moles of reactants and products are involved in the reaction, how many moles of oxygen are produced? So now we know we have 0.125 moles of reactant. So the way we have solve this question is the amount of moles of oxygen is equal to 0.125 mole divided by 5. So it's 0.025 oxygen. So let me explain it to you. Since 2 moles of reactants make a total of 3 moles of products, then the O2 represents 1/5 of the total moles involved. So the 0.125 mole is divided by 5. So the answer is 0.025 moles. And then let me show you about the molar bridge. On the left hand side we have the great divide, and on the right side we have a rectifier. And on the left side we have three, which is mass, particles, and volume at SPP. And on the right side we have the same things. If you have the mass on the left, so you only need to divide it by molar mass. And if you have particles on the left hand side, you only need to divide it by Avogadro, which is multiply by 10 to the power of 23. And if you have the more volume at STP, just divide it by it. And the only way to deal with the bridge is going from the left hand side to the right hand side. So with this bridge, you can do every calculations of the stoichiometry.